Hello everyone, my name is Jayendra Upadhyay. Today I wanna ask you something. What if artificial intelligence could help you detect life-threatening diseases before symptoms become severe? Introducing Cure AI, an AI-powered healthcare platform designed to make early disease awareness faster, smarter, and more accessible. So let's see our Cure AI project.
The platform currently includes three AI healthcare modules. First is brain tumor detection, second diabetes prediction, third is heart disease prediction. The first and most advanced module of Cure AI is brain tumor detection system. Users can upload MRI images directly into the platform, and this system supports MRI images in a JPG, PNG and JPEG formats. We also added a sample MRI scans so users can instantly test the platform without needing their own medical images. Let me show you. If you want to check the website and test the website, you simply click on a sample MRI image button and sample images loads automatically, as you can see, and then click on analyze button. It will gives the prediction and result. As you can see, it will giving the result of meningioma tumor. The result indicates meningioma tumor with a confidence score of 96.28% along with detailed probability analysis of all the tumor classes. As you can see, it is giving the detailing probability analysis of all the tumor classes. And also the platform also generates an AI based medical note that explains the prediction result and recommends consulting a medical specialist for future evaluation. Also, if you want to if you want to more MRI images to scan to test, simply click on the given link below the sample MRI image button, and after clicking the link you can download more and more sample images from the GitHub repository. Now after downloading the MRI images from the GitHub, you can simply click on this section and choose the images that you want to analyze. So here I am choosing that images. Okay, let me choose the pituitary tumor images. Here I use this image and then analyze this image. Here we get the answer of pituitary tumor with a confidence score of 86.24%. As you can see, now we choose another image related to the related to another tumor. So where is the images? Okay, here we choose the meningioma tumor images. Like this I am choosing, suppose that I am choosing this image. Okay, and then analyze this. We will get the answer of meningioma tumor with a confidence score of 99.65%. So this brain tumor detection system can identify multiple categories like glioma tumor, meningioma tumor, pituitary tumor, and also including healthy MRI scans with no tumor detected. Okay, so that's brain tumor detection system. Now we move forward for the diabetes prediction. So now we have moved to the diabetes risk assessment module of Cure AI. Here the user can enter important clinical parameters. As you can see, we can enter important clinical parameters such as glucose level, pregnancies, insulin level, blood pressure, skin thickness, patient age, diabetes pedigree functions, BMI, body mass index. Using these interactive sliders, we can set the value using these interactive sliders. Once the values are set, now we set the value. So once the values are set, the system sends the patient data to the machine learning module for analysis. The model processes all these health parameters and predicts whether the patient is at low risk and high risk. As you can see, we get the result of high risk probability with a risk probability of 88.6%. On the right side, we also display normal medical references. As you can see, we also display normal medical references, so users can compare their values with standard health limits. After clicking on run diabetes assessment, the AI instantly generates a risk assessment report based on a provided clinical data. So that's our diabetes prediction. Now we move forward for the heart disease prediction. Now let's explore the heart disease prediction model of Cure AI. This section is designed to analyze cardiovascular risk using patient demographics and vitals and ECG and stress test data. On the left side, the user enters important medical details such as age, biological sex, male, female, and resting blood pressure, serum cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, max heart rate achieved. And on the central panel, there is advanced cardiac indicators like chest pain type. There is 4 types of chest pain type: typical angina, atypical angina, non-anginal pain, asymptomatic. So simply we choose typical angina. Then there is resting ECG results, exercise angina, ST depression, slope of ST agent, major vessels, and thalassemia type. So once all the parameters are selected, the system sends the data to our trained machine learning model for cardiac risk analysis. Simply we have to click on analyze button, and then we got the high risk. As you can see, we get the high risk. So the value of the risk is depend on the level of the risk is depend on the values of the parameters that we selected. Now suppose that we decrease the slope of ST increase the slope of ST agent and major vessels colored. Then we choose exercise angina to yes, and change typical angina to atypical angina, and thalassemia type to value update to value 2. Then we analyze we get the low risk with a risk score of 16.8%. So the level of the risk is depend on the values of the parameters that we selected. After clicking on analyze cardiac risk, Cure AI instantly generates a smart AI powered cardiac risk assessment report. On the left side, as you can see, on the right side, users can also view standard cardiac health thresholds for comparison, including a normal blood pressure, cholesterol, resting HR, ST depression. So therefore we show our Cure AI project in front of you, and thank you for watching this. Thank you so much.